Okay, just a quick one to show you how to remove the steering wheel from a 2007 Ford Focus. Right, here we go. Right, first off, there's two little torque screws in the back of the steering wheel, right there. You need to undo them. Alright, so turn the wheel 180 degrees now, and you'll get to the next one. So wheel upside down now. And you'll see the next one just in there at the back. Alright, next up, get yourself a medium-sized flat blade screwdriver. So what you can see there, in that big hole there's a clip, and we need to push a flat blade screwdriver in there and release the clip. Now you can see the little cutout at the very bottom of that hole. That's where you want to pop the flat blade of your screwdriver in, and then just twist the screwdriver and it will release the clip. At the same time you're doing that, just put a bit of pressure and pull back on the outer cover. So pop your fingers in here and just pull back on the outer cover. Now you need to keep that pressure on even after the clip's removed and while you're moving the next one as well, otherwise it'll go back into place. Now if we look inside, you'll see there's a white metal bar that goes around the outside. At the bottom there, it's on a little clip. So you just need to release that and then the whole airbag will come out. So you just lift up, twist, and it'll pop out, and you can disconnect your airbag. There's just two little pre-tents on the outside. Squeeze them together and pull, and that's the airbag disconnected. Just got to undo that bolt and pull the wheel off. So 24mm socket on the impact gun, use all the ugger-duggers. So from there on, just a couple of little taps. And there's your wheel off. Disconnect the plug and you're away. Thanks for watching.